What is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your phone camera as a webcam utilizing the camo application. I'll be doing the walkthrough on both my desktop and on my phone, which happens to be an Android phone. However, Apple users, the process is exactly the same on iOS. So the first thing, I'm going to take us to the Reincubate website, this right here, which I'm just going to link in the description below. Once we've made it here, you want to click download, and once we've downloaded it, you want to click on the installer and run through the install. I'm going to skip over that part, one, because I already have it installed, and two, I'm going to go into the assumption here that you know how to install a Windows application. So moving on, we're going to open up the camo application, and I will have my phone screen pulled up here as well, so we can kind of go through both of them simultaneously. Alright, so over here on our phone, we're going to want to install the camo application. And once that's done installing, we're going to go ahead and open it up. There'll be some bits of information here. If you're interested, go ahead and read through it. I'm not, so I'm just going to hit continue. And here it's going to request some device permissions, which you do have to allow if you want to use this application. So it's going to request access to your camera and to your microphone. All right. And now we're going to go through the pairing process. So up on the right hand side of the screen, I'm going to have my phone screen. And on the left hand side of the screen, we're going to open up the camo app on the desktop like I have here. And we're going to go under device where it says select device. We're going to do pair device. And then we're going to have this QR code that comes up. And all we're going to do on the app side is click this little Wi-Fi symbol here on the right hand side. And we're going to scan this just like that. And then we did it. Now your phone is paired to your desktop using the camo app. Now every time you want to use your phone as a webcam for live streaming or for meetings, whatever it is, you're going to want to make sure that you open camo on both your phone and on your desktop. Additionally, you're going to want to go to the device drop down and you're going to want to select your device. From there, you can just minimize the application and it will continue to run in the background. Thanks for checking out this video. If you found it helpful, please drop me a like. I'll soon be doing a follow-up video showing you how to pair camo with OBS for live streaming. So if you want to see that, get subscribed. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one.